All previous electric motors in vacuum cleaner are large, heavy, and inefficient. We introduced our first digital motors to make it small, light, and extremely efficient, which changed the format of vacuum cleaner.
Now we've refined, we've iterated on that design as we've gone on through the years. But now we're starting from scratch, from a blank sheet of paper. We went in pursuit of something that could handle even more power. To do that, we started with a more concentrated motor core, a new neodymium magnet recipe for greater flux density, and a new stator shape and trapezoidal copper windings to allow us to pack even more copper, more steel into less space. This comes together to produce a motor core that can handle 20% more power. So the power from the motor translates to suction power, which we measure in air watts. Now in practice, this means how good the vacuum is at picking up dust from awkward places in your home. So this is a vacuum with just over 200 air watts. So this is our latest machine with 262 air watts of suction. Let me show you the difference. You can see the difference.